What's going on, guys? D. Anthony here with Evolution Traders. I want to quickly go over a setup on NVIDIA that I took this morning playing options. Again, this morning at 6:46 in the morning, I said NVIDIA to 1,000. Again, jokingly, but we could get there. One thing that I was looking at was an active 20 SMA play. And what I was looking for was it to close over the 20 SMA, then confirm, and then we would go from there. Also, you can see here I posted up the P&L, $510. I took a very quick move. I missed out on a lot of cash, but the setup is very simple. I don't need to draw this out. Look at the setup I was looking at here at 6:45. Again, I posted this at 6:46 in the morning, right here when we closed the 6:45 candle. All I'm looking for is the confirmation, the following candle to confirm the high price. Then I'm setting a stop loss below the 20 and 200-day moving average underneath that reason why candle. I sold once we made this pop. Okay, so as we started to run higher here, it was almost a $3 move. You can see from 9.56 and the entry price was around 9.52. So again, around $3.50, $4. I didn't catch the whole $4 on this move. I took closer to $3, but again, I did take 5 contracts. NVIDIA's contracts are very expensive still, so I did take 5 of those contracts, got a quick move here. Now again, I missed out on a lot of money, but again, it's not my money to kind of play with. Right now, could I have held a runner and could I have set a stop loss at break even? Sure, but the way that I trade, I'm always just kind of looking for that average true range. Again, on the 5-minute time frame, the average true range was sitting at around $4 on NVIDIA. So if I'm able to get $3 or $4, that's sufficient enough for me, and that's allowing me to be able to take one trade, be done for the day. Now again, we did have a 20 SMA play that set up to the short side here that confirmed below the 20 SMA into demand at the 200. This was a perfect setup here as well. Again, entry price is below this on a confirmation, stop loss is here. Ride this as long as we stay under the 20, you hold this into the next level of demand. I hope this video helps you guys. I'll see all of you guys in the next one, but just kind of wanted to drop that little nugget in there so you guys can maybe look for these on your next setups.